Introducing the Genius Tools 6-piece Universal Hand Socket Set, featuring highly durable universal joints that allow for greater access and versatile use. Genius Tools has built a stress-free way to apply torque, even in tight spaces and difficult angles. The anti-corrosion coating and matte finish makes tools easy to clean and wipe for better longevity. For easy storage and retention, this set includes a socket rail that holds each piece securely. Sizes are stamped with high visibility, permanent labels for quick selection. For diverse applications, the 1/4 drive SAE standard set includes 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, and 9/16 sockets. Genius Tools builds all our products from the highest quality raw materials, meeting or exceeding ANSI specifications, and stands behind our work with a limited lifetime warranty for manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.